गोंय राज्यांत आनीक पीडीए काडून हे सरकार करपाक तरी कितें सोदता असो प्रश्न आमदार रेजिनाल्डान काडला. आपूण एनजीपीडीएचो चेअरमॅन आशिल्लो तेन्ना आपल्याक पयशे करपाक बसयला म्हूण उलयताले तेन्ना आतां कितल्या जाणांक पयशे करपाक बसोवंक सोदतात ते मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगचे अशें तांणी मुखार म्हळां. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्सिल रॉड्रिगेज.
Parrikar, I remember his statement. His statement was very nice. When I became the chairman of the PDA, he says very simply, he made a statement. I have been brought from Margao and made the chairman to make money. Now I want to ask Manohar Parrikar, how many fellows he wants to bring from Margao, how many fellows he brings from outside, and he wants to make more PDAs and they make more money. He has to explain. People of Goa are waiting for answers. As an opposition leader, he spoke a lot of things. And now as a chief minister, he is not doing the same thing. He has to explain to the people of Goa.
Sir, so many PDAs are justified.
PDAs are justified or not, the people of Goa are watching. Don't construe people's silence as a vote to do what he wants. No, it's not going to happen.
And this is just so many PDAs are to be made are just for minting money, you feel, the government?
This he only said. It was his own statement. He says that I was brought in here as a chairman of the PDA to make money. Now he has to answer why he is doing more PDAs, whom he wants to allow them to make money, what he has to explain now.